Hey, crafty friends. We're going to do some easy vintage Christmas decorations. This is a vintage Tart tin. You can get them sometimes at the thrift store. Usually any antique store will have them. They're very inexpensive. That is a bottle brush tree. I might have got it on the Dollar Tree or I might have got it on Amazon. So I'm just kind of laying out the design that I want. This is where the digital deco designs are awesome because you can look on there, print off what you want. You can have them shipped to you. She will do a physical product, or you can just print it off yourself and then start immediately. So I'm kind of just sizing it and gauging what I need and cutting it out. So I just used my finger to outline it, and then it was easier to cut out. So to go with the vintage Tart tin, I'm going with like a vintage Santa. Figuring out which side I want to put it on. Trim it up a little bit more. Then we'll add our Mod Podge, embellish it, and then you've got some cute vintage Christmas ornaments. That's some fake snow I got on Amazon. You could use polyfill as snow. That's another fun way to do it. These are great to give as gifts or package toppers. Attach a tag that says to and from on it, and then they can reuse it. Mod Podge on the bottom, and then Mod Podge over the top. If you do print these off at your home, make sure that you let that ink dry. I used an inkjet printer. Took about 20-30 minutes to dry. Otherwise, it'll smear when you put the Mod Podge on it. So I'm going to Mod Podge down inside the tin, and that's where we're going to add the little snow. Mod Podge will also work like a glue. Because it dries clear, sometimes that's the best glue. Of course, we're going to place it just right before everything dries. Sprinkle a little on the top. Get our tree in there. Little diamond dust would be cute. We're going to snow the tree. So just a little bit of white paint and a feathered brush. Just get the tips of the bottle brush tree. It looks like snow. Little hot glue, and then attach it in place. There's our Mr. Santa. It's hard not to get carried away, but you can embellish these with little stars and bows and poinsettias and jingle bells. Let your imagination run wild. Happy crafting.